Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video we are going to have a look at Nokia Asha 311. So this device is released in end of 2012, and as an feature phone it has actually many advantage over other feature phone that released on that time. So today we are going to have a look on that and everything like specification and can we use this device in 2023 or not. So we'll discuss everything. So first of all we are going to have a physical look of this device. So as you can see it is really compact device. uh, Today maybe not really you will get not much phone released like this kind of uh, form factor. If you get one, those will be like button device. So very nice build, very much look like Nokia C5. I have reviewed few days back, but that was Symbian device and has a resistive touch screen. But this device had better touch screen than that. So in the right side we have our locker switch and we have our volume buttons. On the back we have our 3.2 megapixel fixed focus camera and Nokia Asha 311 branding, and also the speaker grills here. And left hand side nothing is there, and we have on top we have like 3.5 headphone jack, we have micro USB and our barrel jack to charge the device. And also you can charge it with micro USB, so you will have any issue if you want to charge this device. And in front we have a actually capacitive touch screen display, and it has a glass and a scratch resistant display here, which is really good actually for feature phone which runs on Asha platform, because Nokia usually don't do that. And it has a lot of things here. So we don't have any kind of like front facing camera here, but we do have some sensors here like proximity and light sensor. And button down here we have our power switch and a call log switch, and in the bottom we don't have anything here. So this is all about the display and other things like the physical dimension of this device. And it has like 240p display, which is kind of good for this size display. So let's go and turn it on this device. So now the device is turning on. Actually you can get this device very cheap nowadays, and it is actually really good dumb phone kind of thing because it has some good specification here. So I will talk about those things too. So okay, yes, we are going to start it with our SIM card. I did try like putting SIM card and trying phone call and other things. The device performed very well. So about the specification, as I said, it has 1 gigahertz processor. Actually, like most of the device coming on that time still have like 600 megahertz. This one has 1 gigahertz processor, had 128 MB of RAM and 256 MB of storage. And also main thing about this device, which like last time I have reviewed 308, which has 2G network and no Wi-Fi, but this device has 3G network and also has Wi-Fi. So kind of really good device. And the UI is running on Nokia Asha platform, which is very much similar, kind of similar to Nokia N9 kind of thing, but it is not really a 9 thing. So we have a home screen. Whenever you turn it on, it will have this home screen. If you swipe right, you will have another home screen which there are some shortcut. You can change this shortcut according to your liking. And if you go one more time, you will have your, either you can choose actually what do you want here. So if you tap and hold here, and if you move here, you can choose whatever you want. You can either get dialer or radio or music, it's up to you. There is nothing more here. So for me I put music here. So if I swipe right and I can get this like music player. So let me show you something here. So the UI is actually not really bad. As I said, it has 1 gigahertz processor. It's really well, and the device has a lot of apps, but most of the apps actually useless now. But it has a lot of games too. So let me count how many games it has come with. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. So it has 22 games built in here, and this 3 or 4 5 things I have just installed to check the device it's working or not. And as you can see, I have already connected to Wi-Fi, and we have a notification panel here. You can like play music from here, or you can turn on your data and Bluetooth here. And one thing about this like switch for call, if I press this one, it doesn't turn on like uh, our dialer. It just open the call log, and if I am in contact, if I press this one, nothing happen. Even if I'm in music player, maybe it will nothing happen, as you can see. But it's kind of useless kind of thing, because it works only when you are in home screen, or if you are in like a cover page, or if you are in music, maybe it will not work, so it doesn't work. So it just work here in the home screen. So we are connected to Wi-Fi, and as I said, most of the apps are useless now, but we I have installed Operamini, so that I can go to Uptrick and download some apps, so it's working just fine now. So like you can access Facebook here, still you can access Facebook, but it is really difficult. But as I said, it has a capacitive touch screen, you will not have difficulty to type like other device with resistive touch screen, so it does work just fine. And if I go to webtrick.com, it can load most of the page very well. So webtrick, as you can see, I have already searched like MotoGP to download, and I have downloaded MotoGP here. So webtrick is working just fine. If you want to get some apps for your device, you can get it from here. Actually, this this website works very well. So now, okay, let's close this. Now come to the YouTube part. So most of the people ask me, this kind of device can run YouTube or not. Actually, not really. They can run YouTube, but it's somewhat you have works. So here I install JetTube. So if I open it, yes, so it will load the home page here. Now this device actually can play YouTube videos. So let me grab a NCS video so that I don't get any kind of copyright. So we have an NCS video, Lost Sky. So let's try to play this song. So if I play this song, they will ask me, do you want to have address? Okay, if I press yes, and it will start playing the song I want to play. So it started downloading now. I'm buffering, and as you can see, video is not supported. You can watch video, so as you can see, it's working. So it is downloading now. It will be in your storage. You can select either your SD card or whatever you want. So if I go here, download section, okay, as you can see here, it is deny. I just denied it. So go back. Okay, just go to setting. So if you want to watch videos directly, so you have to reduce the quality. So I have selected 360p. 360p video cannot play by this device. So if I play on 144p, it will work, and the quality will be very bad. And you cannot play like audio too. So let me show you that too. So it's kind of useless, but still, if you want to like listen some music, you can do that. So as you can see, now it does work, but it is in 144p. So we have to, you can hear the sound too here from here, but the sound, this device actually goes very loud, but the sound quality is not really great, because this was a budget phone at the time, not really uh, mind blowing anything here. So if you want to get like good experience, you should go with Nokia's Symbian series phone like C7 and 8. Those device works very well. So now if we select like audio only, and it doesn't work like when we select on audio only, that's one problem. So let's try it again. So if I click to play, yes, somewhat working for this kind of device in 2023, working this type things, it's, I think it is there. So as you can see, it cannot play audio directly from there. So only thing you can do is either you can watch video in 144p, or if you play in 364p, it will be like no, it will not show any video, just play the audio. So kind of working, but not really very well, but it's still working just fine. So like other things, like I did install my game here which I like to play, but it is in portrait, not in landscape mode for here in this device. I don't know why. So it is working, although it has like a accelerometer sensor, but still the device does not rotate like by if you like tilt the display or anything, but it doesn't work like that. You cannot control the device like that. So the games are working just fine. You can download, you will find a I think a lot of games are available for this device online, and also you can use Steam and other things. So I've installed these two games, and it does come with, as I said, 22 preloaded games. Most of the games you can play, some of them are demo. And one weird thing about this kind of device, actually, you cannot uninstall any kind of thing from here. Only whatever you have installed. Like if I want to uninstall anything, I have only choice of this five which I have installed. Other than that, I cannot do anything. But there are few, actually a lot of games which you will like, Angry Bird, and many things here. So kind of very good phone if you just want a phone to phone call and just listen to the music. The headphone quality is not really bad, although the speaker is quite bad. It's go loud, but it's bad. And you can do phone call and messaging also you can do because it is a capacitive touch screen, although it is small, but still you can figure out. If you use 2 3 days, maybe you will be able to adjust with the screen. You will not have an issue. But I don't think it is actually good device to use as a dumb phone. Maybe if you want to use a dumb phone, there are much better option available than this device. Although you can get this device very cheap, about $5 maybe. I got mine for $2 only, and it's working just fine. I have no issue with this device, and it's working just fine. And now I have a lot of device, this kind of device, but I cannot sell them too actually. So that's it all about Nokia 3 Asha 311. And if you really want to get one of these, you can get one of these, but don't pay more than $5 because it doesn't worth that much. And if you really want a dumb phone as your secondary device, you can go with a lot of device. You can use like from iPhone 4 is also a great choice, iPhone 5 also a great choice as a dumb phone, but the battery backup will be not really great. And you can go with few other phones, or you can go with Windows Lumia phones. So I think going with Lumia phone will be much better, because around $5 you will also get Nokia Lumia, maybe 520. So that's all about this device. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.